Alright, so we've got the Feiyu WG wearable gimbal, and it's a pretty awesome gimbal when it actually works, but on our recent trip it actually started going crazy on me, and you'll find some other YouTube videos which show the thing actually going crazy. And actually I can demonstrate that for you right now, because right now it's not working as it should right now, and it's on. It can be fixed, because I fixed it before and just happened to screw up again. And the actual reason for this thing going crazy is that when you get the camera rotating in more than 360 degrees beyond, beyond its limits, it actually ends up unplugging a pin inside. So what you actually end up doing is, what you can do is open up the screws here to expose where the connections are, and you might actually find where the pin got disconnected. So we're going to do that right now. So right now there's 3 screws, and you can use the included Allen wrench that came with the gimbal, and you'll find exactly where that loose connection is. So actually, let me take out the GoPro first. And right now you'll see that I'm screwing it here where the logo is for where it says WG. There's another side that says FY, but the place where it rotated out beyond its limits was here on this particular axis. So we're going to take this out, and you'll find there's 3 long screws that go in there. So when you take it out, you'll see that immediately this thing was disconnected. So you'll see the female port in there, and it's a really short cable, but it can be reconnected. So you just got to make sure that it doesn't twist beyond its limits, and then you should be fine. But if it does happen, rest assured you can fix it pretty easily. So since the cable is so short, you might need like a pair of tweezers or something to really connect it. There's this female connector, and then there's also these 3 pins that also need to fit in. So just take that into account when you're trying to screw this thing back in. Alright, so I finally got it in. Now then, the last thing to do is just put the 3 pins in, and we're going to rescrew all these 3 screws in with the provided Allen wrench. Okay, so let's try it back on. Make sure you put that GoPro back in before you turn it on. Here we go, it's fixed. See? Like I said, it's a pretty awesome device. A little pricey, but I mean, don't freak out if it starts to go crazy on you, because it is fixable. And actually, I would recommend using a pair of tweezers. There's some magnets in here that are pretty strong compared to this little wrench if you're trying to get that pin in, but other than that, you shouldn't have any problems. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments and I'll try to respond to you all.